Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live and welcome to another Ask Me About Bolivar. We're going to do some different shows. You know, we cover some of the events that we have here, and for the next 3 weeks, 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, we're going to be talking about the Texas Crab Festival. It's an annual event down here, and I can't wait for y'all to enjoy it with us, Team Bolivar, and the Texas Crab Festival charity, so stay tuned. For seafood lovers, the Texas Crab Festival is a must-attend event, as it features a wide variety of delicious crab dishes and other seafood delicacies prepared by some of the best restaurant and vendors in Southeast Texas and the area. From boiled, barbecued, and stuffed crabs, fried or grilled shrimp, to seafood gumbo and boiled crawfish and crawfish etouffee. There's something to satisfy every craving at the festival, including burgers, funnel cakes, and more. In addition to the food, the Texas Crab Festival offers a range of other activities and entertainment options, including live music, a kids' fun area, and games for all ages. There'll also be a Texas Crab Legs contest, dance contest, washer tournament, among other attractions, ensuring there's something for everyone to enjoy. The live music at the Texas Crab Festival in Crystal Beach, Texas features a diverse lineup of local and regional performers with a mix of genres to appeal to a wide range of tastes. The music lineup may include country, rock, blues, jazz, and other genres, with a focus on showcasing talented performers from the Gulf Coast region. Some of the performers in the past have included Wayne Toups, Mark Chestnut, Shooter Jennings, Hamilton Loomis, George Dearborn, Bag of Donuts, The Lineup, Jamie Talent, among others. This year you can count on Wayne Toups Friday night and Roger Kreger's Saturday night. Attendees can enjoy live music while they sample delicious seafood dishes, browse arts and craft vendors, and participate in other activities and attractions at the festival. The music adds to the festival atmosphere of the event and is a key part of the overall experience. The Texas Crab Festival takes place in Crystal Beach, Texas, which is located on the beautiful Bolivar Peninsula. Visitors to the area can take in the stunning scenery and enjoy the beach, while also exploring the many shops, stores, restaurants, and attractions in the local area. As you can see, overall, the Texas Crab Festival is a fun and exciting event that should not be missed by anyone, particularly those who love seafood and beach life. Whether you're looking for a sample some of the best crab dishes in Texas, enjoy some live music, entertainment, or simply soak up the sun on our 27 miles of beachfront, and the scenery of the Texas Crab Festival has it all. So mark your calendars for 2024 Mother's Day weekend and come explore Bolivar Peninsula and enjoy an unforgettable event like the Texas Crab Festival. Well, I hope you enjoyed the show. We're going to be bringing you some more information on the Texas Crab Festival and other events on Ask Me About Bolivar. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye. The Big Store, located at 2385 Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas, on Bolivar Peninsula. If you're on Bolivar Peninsula and you need anything, stop by the Big Store, where you'll be greeted by a staff of smiling faces and a staff that's eager to help you find what you're looking for. The Big Store is a fully stocked grocery store with fresh fruits and vegetables, meat department with hand-cut steaks, canned goods, dairy products, frozen foods, and beer and wine. The Big Store is also home to a gift shop, camping and fishing supplies, RV supplies, tools and hardware, and home goods, all under one roof. The Bolivar Peninsula Superstore, like they say, if the Big Store doesn't have it, chances are you really don't need it. For more information on the Big Store and their weekly sales ad, please visit www.thebigstore.us.